Okay, Assalamu alaikum, Talaba. Today we will speak with the continuous our subject, inshallah, with synthesis of benzene derivative. Okay, as you know, I will explain. If you have any question, please you can ask, no problem. Now, synthesis of benzene derivative. Okay, that meaning from benzene we can synthesize many compounds. Now, to synthesize benzene derivative with more than one substituent. Look, with more than one substituent. Now before that, we can prepare bromobenzene by bromination of benzene. We can prepare nitrobenzene from the nitration of benzene. We can prepare
بس مگه شی اوا بی بو ما بیشی مخان چی هستی نگه هستم هموركا بي
بي
سيدة هاكو خلاص بي بس
تمام خلاص بس ان شاء الله هكا كويشن هيا از دبزر درسته
بلا سيدة درست
تمام تبقى فريم انا
لا أقدر
أقدر now look to here. This is the benzene derivative with more than one substituent. Before that, we know we can prepare, for example, methyl benzene from alkylation of benzene. We can prepare acyl benzene from the acylation of benzene, like that. Okay. Now, no, we have more than one substituent on the benzene ring. That meaning we have stepwise synthesis. What meaning stepwise synthesis? Meaning step by step, maybe 3 steps, maybe 4 steps, maybe 5 steps. Okay. Then in disubstitute benzene, for example, the directing effect indict which substituent must be added to the ring first. Now, look to this example. Okay, look to this example. We have a brom, we have NO2. Okay, now, what is the orientation of the brom atom?
Orthopara.
Orthopara. That meaning ortho here and para here. Okay. What is the orientation of the NO2?
Meta.
Meta. Look, just here or here. Now, anyone must be put it on the benzene ring firstly. Anyone must be substituted on the benzene firstly. Now, if you have benzene ring, just the benzene ring, anyone is the best to make a bromination or to nitration first? Look, if you do nitration and then a bromination, the BRT will become to here, yes? That meaning this wrong. No, you have to make a bromination and then nitration, because the orientation of a brom is para. Okay, is para. That meaning the nitration, it will become to the para. Now look to here. For example, the brom group in the bromobenzene, para bromonitrobenzene is an ortho para director. Look, the brom ortho para, and the nitro group is meta director. Now, because the two substituents are para to each other. Look, this and this, 1,4. Yani this and this is para to each other. Ortho or meta or para to each other? Para to each other, okay? If you see the two group is para to each other, that meaning you have to start to synthesize the group with para director first, okay? That meaning the ortho, look, the ortho para director must be introduced first when synthesize this compound from benzene. How? I will explain for you this. Look, if you started with benzene or bromination of benzene, you will take a bromobenzene, yes? No problem. Then nitration, you will get your product, okay? Nitration, then O2, it will become to the para. طبعا ortho يا هيا, okay? We have ortho also. We have para, but we want para, okay? We want para substituent. That meaning here we succeed to synthesize our compound. But if you want to prepare nitration first, look, benzene, nitration, NO2, and then a bromination, the BR, it will become to the meta, okay? That meaning this compound, it is not our compound. We don't want this, okay? يعني the first line correct. The second line incorrect. ركا أولي درستا ركا دوي خلط. Okay? This, what meaning? You have to think about the orientation of the substituents. Okay? Do you understand this? 1 and 2? If you understand this, good. Okay? Because this is easy example. Okay. Now, take this device synthesis of ortho-nitrotoluene from benzene. Look, for example, if you want to make this alkylation, okay, alkylation, it will be toluene. Okay, nitration, the orientation of the alkyl group is what? Is ortho-para. Yes, nitration, that meaning we have NO2 on the ortho, also zaidan, another isomers, but the NO2 on the para, okay? That meaning this is good. But if we started reverse, no, nitration and then alkylation, look, if you started from benzene, nitration, it will be nitropenzene, yes? And then alkylation, the CH3 cannot become to the ortho or para. It will become to the meta, okay? وهذا خلط. This is incorrect. Okay? Do you understand? Do you have a
پیدا خودمون مثل کیموفیسی بشه مصادقه نگشتیم هستی نگشتیم به جانسا
يعني بوشي تشينابت
آرنه
Okay, بوجي تمام. I will sharing for you. مشكلة كيم office needed time يعني to draw the structure to draw. Now, you see this, yeah? Or no, Anton? No. Where's the Kim office? Where's the Kim office? This the Kim office. Okay. Now, I want to prepare this compound.
دیده برومی چک example برومی
No, I will take this compound. Just 1 minute. I will check all of them. This compound. NO2. Okay. CH3. Sorry, طبعا CH3. Okay, now I want to prepare this from benzene. Okay. From benzene, I want to prepare this. Now, if I want to start with nitration, okay, طلبة? يلا, this benzene, nitration. طبعا nitration, it will be what? It will be NO2, yes? Here, NO2. Now, after that, alkylation. Okay, alkylation. Alkylation, طبعا CH3Cl, Lewis acid, AlCl3. Okay, this is the reagent of alkylation. طلبة, you have to put the reagent here. Okay, without reagent, it will be error. But I don't, just for learning, I don't put it here. Okay, this nitration, this alkylation. Now, alkylation, the orientation of the NO2 what? Orthometa or para?
میتا
Meta. Meta. That meaning our product, it will be what? NO2 methyl here, yes?
بله.
Okay. This, our desired compound?
لا.
And this our desired compound, يعني the compound we wanted, okay?
تمام.
Okay. Now, this, like this?
لا.
No. Ava meta or ava para. Sorry, ava ortho, ava meta, okay? ava ortho, ava para. يعني أوريك خلط. لازم أن يأولي alkylation باش nitration. Now, okay, check. Alkylation. This is the alkylation. I will make alkylation. Sorry. This is the alkylation, okay? And then nitration. Nitration. What is the orientation of the methyl group?
اورتو پارا
عافية. Ortho para. Ava ortho وava para. Do isomer. تمام? Do isomer, but NO2 here. NO2 also. Sorry. NO2. Now, look. One of them is our compound or no?
Yes.
Yes, this our compound. This our compound. Okay, this NO2 CH3. This NO2 CH3. That meaning our line synthesis it will be this. Okay. أو يا سري خلد. تمام تجشتي؟
إذا يعني هكذا بما إنا أمي بس ويشيجن أولي كا الكل
أولي جربنا تو جربنا هكا خلد جيبت. Okay. I want just the right one.
تمام.
تمام.
أستاذ يعني أنت تعطينا البنزين والسبستيوشن معانا اثنينهم وإحنا نجرب ما؟ لو
أنتم
ما تنطينا برودكت.
أنتم بتجربون وتنطوني اللاين الصحيح مال برودكت.
ديدا بس بيرم هنا NO2
هذا الهرمون؟
بارا
NO2 meta director. Orientation Y because deactivate meta.
خدينا صوت سيدا استنايهم.
لا صح كي NO2 N ما partially positive and full positive and أنشئ بوفوليكترون هيا سر.
partially سيدا عنا.
لا full positive charge.
partially positive.
Full positive charge. I draw for you the NO2 group full positive charge. Full positive charge. نك حلقة بنزين خلاص هذا deactivate meta director. تمام؟
تمام.
You can go back to the last lecture, okay? NO2 group is deactivated group and is meta director. Now, look to here. طبعا أو بوتا أو جربنا طلبة. Device synthesis of each compound from indicate starting material. Okay. Now, from benzene, I want to prepare this. From benzene, I want to prepare this. From benzene, now this is from phenol, I want to prepare this. Okay? Also is easy, not difficult. Now, you can see our structure, yes? Now, look at this. I just make for you the first one. Now, anyone is best. يعني chlorination or first or the sulfonation, it will be the first. Anyone is best. Look, if you make chlorination, it will be Cl benzene, yes? Cl benzene here. Now, the halogen is orthopara or meta?
orthopara.
وهذا صار ميتا يعني جنابت. يعني أولي لازم سلفونيشن باش كلورينيشن. اوكي؟ سلفونيشن تشيك بنا سلفونايل جروب SO3H. سلفونايل جروب ortho and para on meta director. Okay, meta orientation of the SO3H is meta orientation. That means sulfonation and then chlorination. Okay, this the first one. But you have to know the orientation of for all the group. Okay, you have to know. I said before that here. Where is here? This group. Look to the NO2 deactivate group meta director. Have NO2 very meta director. Okay. Now, do you have a question, طلبة؟ تجهزتن؟ Okay. I hope you understand this. Now the halogenation of the alkyl benzene. Look, halogenation of the alkyl benzene. يعني not for the benzene ring, طلبة. For the alkyl group. Okay? We have, for example, this. I will make sharing again. We have this benzene ring. And we have this on the benzene ring. This alkyl group, okay? Then I want to make alkylation here on the alkyl group, not on the benzene ring. Okay, on the alkyl group. This meaning here, halogenation of the alkyl benzene. Okay, we learned some additional reactions of substituted benzenes that greatly expand the ability to synthesis of benzene derivative. Okay, that meaning from benzene we can prepare many derivatives. This reaction don't involve the benzene ring itself. Okay, صح not the reaction not on the benzene ring. Na صار حلقة benzene. Okay, صار alkyl group. So they are not further example for the electrophilic aromatic substitution. أبا تفاعل طلب halogenation of the alkyl benzene. It is not electrophilic aromatic substitution. Okay. In this reaction, we return to the radical halogenation. Our mechanism for a free radical mechanism, a free radical halogenation, free radical mechanism. We take it before that in the chapter number 2, the alkane compounds for the first semester. Okay. Now the halogenation. You know the halogenation, the free radical halogenation mechanism. We have 3 steps. Yeah. We have 3 steps: initiation, progression, and termination. Okay. Now, for example, look to this benzene ring. We have CH2, CH3, alkyl group. Now, alkyl group. If we take the hydrogen with 1 electron, that meaning it will be remain just 1 electron in on the carbon. The electron on the carbon, it will be stable or no? Yes, it will be stable. Why? Because it will can be enter with the many resonance structure. Look, many resonance structure with the cycle of the benzene ring. That meaning this radical, it will be slightly stable. Okay, stable. Now, look, he said here benzylic CH bonds are weaker than most other sp3 hydrazide carbon hydrogen bonds. Do you know what meaning this? Do you know, Talaba? What meaning this? Okay. Benzylic carbon hydrogen bonds are weaker than most other sp3 hydrazide SH bonds. Okay, if you don't the meaning here, I will explain for you by Chemoffice. Look. What we have here, Talaba? How many hydrogen we have?
2.
عافية. وهير 2. طبعا أو كربون فيري sp3 أنا
sp3
عافية sp3 وفيري
sp3
وفيري
sp3
وفيري sp3 وفيري sp3 يعني all this carbon is sp3. That meaning all this carbon is saturated carbons. Okay, كربونات مشبعة, saturated carbons. Okay, sp3. Now he said here the benzylic carbon hydrogen. What meaning the benzylic أو مصطلح طلبة أو مصطلح benzylic carbon hydrogen? This is the benzylic carbon hydrogen. That meaning we have 1 hydrogen, 1 carbon hydrogen near from the benzene ring. This carbon hydrogen. This here, this meaning benzylic or benzylic group. This benzylic group, that meaning we have hydrogen carbon bonded directly to the benzene ring. Okay, this the meaning of the benzylic carbon hydrogen. Now he said this group, this hydrogen carbon bond, يعني أو bond أبايا, this bond is weaker than other bonds. يعني مقارنة, if you compare this bond with this other bond, with this. Okay.
لأن غير مشبعة unsaturation.
لا ما غير مشبعة. لا هي مشبعة. شلون غير مشبعة؟ هي مشبعة. طبعا.
أستاذ ما
أشنو؟ Okay.
لا
If you compare this bond with all other bonds, with this, this it will be weaker one. Why it will be weaker one? Because طبعا weaker for any reaction for the halogenation of the alkyl group. Okay, for the halogenation of the alkyl group. Why? Because if you take this, if you take this, okay, sorry. If you take this hydrogen 1 electron, that meaning we will have here 1 electron like this, exactly like this. Just 1 minute. Exactly like this. This 1 electron, this we said a free radical. This free radical is stable. Why stable? Because this free radical can be enter with the benzene cycle for many resonance structure. Okay, that meaning it will be slightly stable. Okay, for this reason we said it will be weak than other carbons. But if you for example, if you take this carbon this bond, for example, this bond, and we have free radical here. This free radical not stable. Why? Because cannot be entered with the benzene ring. It is so far on the benzene ring. يعني ديرة أو بيتشكي ديرة أو نزيكا جيراني benzene ring. But this free radical, no, it is not stable because cannot be entered with the benzene ring for making resonance structure. Okay, this the difference. Now, he said benzylic carbon hydrogen. We know what meaning benzylic carbon hydrogen bond are weaker than most other sp3 hydrazide carbon hydrogen because homolysis form a resonance stabilized. طبعا what meaning homolysis? يعني the bond it will be equal broken for 2 electrons. Okay, we said homolysis broken. Okay, form a resonance stabilized benzylic radicals. Look, benzylic radical. أو نبي benzylic. يعني that meaning we have radical directly bonded on the benzene ring. We say benzylic radical. Okay, أو مصطلح جديد ومهمة. Now, look, if you have CH2, CH3, and you want to make bromination by using heating or UV light, that meaning the Br it will become on the carbon, on this carbon, on the first carbon, not on the second carbon. Okay, why the first? Because the first carbon is the benzylic group, and the benzylic group is active more than the not benzylic groups. Okay, because is the stability of the benzylic free radical. Okay, يعني for our example, this, look, I will remove this and I will make here this. Now طلبة, this I want to make for this compound a bromination with heating, a bromination with heat. Okay, that meaning طبعا أو Br2, sorry, أو Br2. Okay, that meaning our result it will be what? This. طبعا sorry, I will remove this. Okay, this our compound. We have Br here. We have Br here. This the result. Okay, Br. Okay, but if I make halogenation with Lewis acid like this, Br2 AlBr3 like this, AlBr3, what is the product? Do you know the product?
بي ار استاذ على الحلقه بنزين راح تكون
عافية على الحلقة وبأن اتجاه أورثو مين ولا بارا؟
استاذ هو اورثو وبارا
يعني
والبارا
راح يصير عندنا ناتجين، ناتج البي ار هوني وناتج البي ار، صح؟
صح.
لو بالعكس لا غلط، شلون صح؟ ناتج اللفظي هذا اورثو، اي هذا البي ار هوني راح يصير.
استاذ ما شفت السهم.
اوكي، بي كيرفول طلبة، بي كيرفول. بي ار and also we have BR. Okay. Anyone is high percentage, this or this?
بارا.
عافية بارا. يعني for example our 60%. Okay, this is 40. Why?
40.
Because the steric effect.
Okay, because the steric effect. Good. 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 Okay. The mechanism طبعا أو mechanism of free radical, the same thing, the mechanism of the free radical mechanism. This number one, the halogen it will be give you free radical. The first free radical it will be react with the hydrogen to make benzylic free radical. This is the benzylic free radical. The benzylic free radical it will be react with another halogen molecules. Okay, to give you the product and a new halogen. This new halogen it will be go back again here. Okay, it will be go back again here to react with another molecular of the starting compound, and this it will be a propagation step. That meaning it will be the increase the number of the molecular product. The final one is the termination step. That meaning this halogen with this halogen it will be make a new BR compound and without any new free radical. And this reason for the reaction, it will be stopped. Okay. This the mechanism. It is the same for the free radical mechanism, and there is no. I think there is no problem in this mechanism. It is clear. Yes. Clear or no?
Yes.
Yes. I hope it will be yes. Okay. We have here. Look, this example, the same example I give to you. This is halogenation, but with what? With Lewis acid. That the halogenation will be happened on the alkyl group or on the benzene groups.
Benzene.
Okay, the benzene cycle. Okay. This group is ortho meta or para? Ortho meta. That means we have two products. Ortho, this is the meta product. Sorry, this is the ortho product and this is the para product. Also, this halogenation not with Lewis acid, with heat UV light. That meaning the halogenation will be happened on the alkyl group. Okay, the BR it will be come to here or to here?
Sorry.
Yes, sorry, on the first carbon. Okay, on the first carbon. That meaning this it will be our product. With طبعا he said here the same thing with Br2FeCl3. This it will be ionic condition, electrophilic aromatic substitution occur. But with the free radical, no, it will be free radical mechanism. With the Br and light, it will be free radical mechanism. This is the difference. This is electrophilic aromatic substitution, but this is a free radical mechanism. Okay, free radical substitution. Now, this homework for you explain why this is not formed during free radical bromination of this. Yani this is starting material, but cannot be give you this compound by using free radical bromination. Why? Yalla. Anyone can give me answer? Look, we have benzene ring, CH2, CH2.
لأن ما البي ار ما ارتبط مع أول كربون.
ما ارتبط مع البنزيليك كربون. أوكي، ارتبط مع ثاني كربون. أوكي. That meaning يعني من هذا المركب نحن ما نقدر نحضر هذا المركب بتفاعل الهالوجينيشن. Okay, this the answer because the brom is not on the benzylic carbon hydrogen. For this reason, the halogenation cannot be happened on the first, يعني on the second carbon. It will be happened on the first carbon. Okay, because there is no any free radical reaction on the benzylic carbon hydrogen. Okay, the second. هو يقول is not formed يعني ما راح يتكون من هذا.
ما عندنا هكذا.
ايه اكو غير طريقه غير تفاعلات ما موضوعكم يعني هذا.
ايه تمام.
اوكي ما موضوعكم بس انه هو يقول انت ما تقدرين تحضرينه من هذا. اوكي يعني لا واحد يجي بالامتحان مثلا اجيب لكم بالامتحان هذا لحظه علي اسوي لكم شيرنج. ايه هذا يعني انا بالامتحان اقول لكم من البنزين اريد تحضر لي هذا المركب. اوكي and here Br. Okay, my question will be from the benzene can you prepare this compound Br?
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay, the answer it will be no. Why? Explain for me. You will be say because if we make alkylation for the benzene, it will be give us this. This. Okay. 1, 2. 1, 2. Alkylation. Okay. And then by using a bromination, halogenation, it will be give us here the Br. Okay. This. It will be give us.
First carbon.
Yes, on the first. 1, 2, 3. The Br it will be come to here because the reaction it will be happened on the benzylic carbon hydrogen. For this reason, cannot be prepared the first compound by using halogenation of the alkyl group on the benzene ring. This is the answer. Okay, cannot be prepared. اوكي واضح؟
واضح أستاذ.
تمام. طبعا he said here design يعني put plan, put synthesis line, design synthesis of the styrene, this is the styrene, okay, this is the styrene, from the ethyl benzene. I will give you ethyl benzene. I want I want from the ethyl benzene to prepare this compound, the styrene compound, okay, the styrene compound. Okay, look, what will be happened? We have alkyl here, okay, and we have unsaturated hydrocarbon. Do you remember how we can prepare unsaturated hydrocarbon from the alkyl? How we can prepare alkene? Okay, by elimination reaction. Okay, but here we don't have any group to be eliminated. Okay, that meaning we have to add a group. What like this? The famous reaction for ours, remove the HBr, HCl. That meaning we make to make halogenation here and then elimination. Okay, now halogenation Br2 by UV or heat. Okay, it will be give us this Br. Okay, now elimination by using strong base. The Br, it will be removed with one hydrogen to give us unsaturated hydrocarbon. This our compound, the styrene. Okay, my question now, if I say to you from this, from the benzene, prepare for me this compound. From the benzene, not from the ethyl benzene. What you have to do? خطوة أولية شيء.
Alkylation.
Yeah, alkylation. You have benzene ring. Alkylation. With that,
bromation.
it will be give you this CH2 CH3 and then bromation and then elimination. Okay, يعني you have to put a plan, خطة دانا. We said our synthesis line. Okay, line يعني طريقة التفاعل، طريقة التحضير. Line synthesis. Okay, now it is easy, yeah? Okay. Now oxidation and reduction of the substituted benzene. طبعا هو آخر موضوع in this chapter, oxidation and reduction of the substituted benzene. Now oxidation, he said oxidation and reaction and the reduction reaction are طبعا tool for the preparing many benzene derivative because the mechanism are complex. Look, طبعا طلب التفاعل مع الاكسيديشن والريدكشن الميكانيزم معقدة. the mechanism are complex يعني not easy mechanism. For this reason I will don't give you any mechanism for the reduction and oxidation mechanism. Okay, it is not for you. Okay, this without mechanism, just I want to know the reaction. Okay, here we will take example. Look, oxidation of the alkyl benzene. Okay, we have alkyl benzene here. This is the alkyl benzene. Oxidation by KMNO4. Okay, it will be give you directly benzoic acid. This is hydroxy group. This is hydroxy group. Okay, that meaning direct any alkyl group. طلبة any alkyl group. I will write for you here. Any alkyl. This, for example, 1, 2, 3. Any alkyl group. This alkyl group, or this. Okay, or this. Okay, all this compound, this and this and this, by using KMNO4 give you just one product. Okay, give you just one product. This our product طبعا. Here we have O, carboxylic acid group, and we have here OH. تمام, it is clear? Any alkyl group طبعا هكا تجي do and say alkyl group تهيا. For example, like this. If you have like this, here we have methyl and here we have like this group. Okay, like this group. طبعا by using KMNO4 give you 2 carboxylic acid groups. Okay, this here and this here. This is CO2H. Also this is CO2H. تمام؟ واضح طلبة؟
واضح.
Look, many examples. This KMnO4 give you this. This KMnO4 give you this. This. Okay, any alkyl group, any alkyl group. And he said here, arenes containing at least one benzylic. Look, but شرط شيء طلبة. Look, for all my high, we have at least one benzylic carbon hydrogen. We have here one hydrogen carbon. I will write it here. Also, we have here one hydrogen. Yes, one hydrogen. But for this alkyl group, طلبة, for this 1, 2, 3, 4, we have hydrogen here.
No.
No, this cannot be react with O4. Okay, this cannot give you benzoic acid. Cannot give you benzoic acid. Why? Because there is no carbon hydrogen benzylic group. This CO2 H طبعا أو تفاعل نينا أو تفاعل نينا أو خلف. Okay, this cannot be give you benzoic acid. Why? Because there is no carbon hydrogen benzoic group. He said here, look, أو شرط arenes containing. arenes طلبة شو معنى arenes؟ اوكي نا طالب نافيوي ارينا نا arenes يعني aromatic compound. Okay, aromatic compound containing at least one benzylic carbon hydrogen bond are oxidized with KMnO4 to what? To the benzoic acid. خلاص. Okay, all the alkyl group شرط شيء بشرط هي carbon hydrogen near from the benzene ring. Okay. reduction طبعا او oxidation خلاص طبعا ميكانيزم ياوي معقده complex. I don't want to give you mechanism. It's so difficult. Okay. Now the reduction of the aryl ketone to the alkyl benzene. Look, aryl ketone, this ketone group, yes, to the alkyl benzene. Okay. This we say reduction. شو معنى reduction؟ يعني an increase the hydrogen group atoms or decrease the oxygen atom. This. Look to the reduction. We have one oxygen atom. Here we don't have only oxygen atom. That meaning what? Decrease or increase? Decrease the oxygen atom. Number. Decrease the number of oxygen atom. Here, an increase number of the hydrogen atom. Okay. This is the reduction in organic chemistry. So reduction, oxidation in not يعني organic, in inorganic chemistry, كيمياء لا عضوية فرقة. But in the inorganic chemistry is decrease the hydrogen atom or increase decrease the oxygen atom or increase the hydrogen atom. This inorganic chemistry. Now look to this reduction by using what? By using zinc, HgHcl acid, or by using NH2 طبعا this hydrazine NH2OH base. This is the first one we say the Clemmensen reduction. Okay, by using zinc and mercury with the presence of strong acid. This is Clemmensen reduction. And we have by using base, strong base, it will be Wolff-Kishner reduction using hydrazine and OH group base. Okay, both of them is right. Okay, anyone you can write it, no problem. One of them. Okay, and Clemmensen reduction and Wolff-Kishner reduction. This the reduction. For example, I think I have example here. Yes. Look, this reduction, just the C double bond oxygen, it will be CH2. Reduction, just the C double bond oxygen, it will be CH2. Okay, for any groups. I will make sharing for you here. Delete. Sorry. طبعا او كيتون. معناه كيتون؟ شو معنى كيتون طلبة؟
سي دبل او مع ار بار جروب.
ايه يعني ار سي دبل او oxygen ار. اوكي؟ اوكي. This ketone reduction give you what? just the oxygen double bond control, it will be CH2. Control CV, it will be this. It will be this. This is the product. Okay? Okay. Now, do you think from the benzene by using alkylation we can prepare this? يعني مباشرة from benzene we can prepare this?
استاذ بنزين نعمل الكليشن وبعدين نرجع نعمل كيتون.
لا ما اريد كيتون، لا من بنزين اريد احضري هذا بس هذا.
alkylation.
زين alkylation شد بيت كم كربون هيا صحكي ياك دو سي چار وهالوجين مانا چار وهالوجين ابا چار وابا هالوجين ابا وكي ابا مثلا بي ار وفيري AL BR3 yes yes this reaction right or wrong? يلا هكا تبيجي رايت بيجي من بوجي، هكا تبيجي رونج بيجي من بوجي. طبعا هو تفاعل هكا تصحكي وصا alkylation درست هذا الكايل جروب 1 2 3 4 carbon this 1 2 3 4 no problem. Okay, this alkylation this is it will be on the lab, it will be happened or no, it will be right or no.
سيدا بس ما تشد بيت بي ار بويري بابيت أرسو بارايا هكا AL BR 3 بيت
بي ار ابا الكايل ابا ار بي ار يعني ابا وصى بشكل عام يعني وصى ار وبي ار اوكي الكايل هالو الكايل اوكي الكايل هالوجين واي ال بي ار 3 يعني وات از ذا بروبلم جاست يعني الكاليشن ابا الكاليشن طلب اوكي تثبيت ان do you remember the lecture number I think 3 alkylation. If you go to the alkylation, okay, you don't remember. Look, if we make this reaction, that meaning if you think about the mechanism, طلبة, just think about the mechanism. The mechanism, this AlBr3, it will be react with the Br and give you carbocation, yes? Give you carbocation. Carbocation. I will make this for you. This carbocation, yes? This carbocation, primary, secondary, tertiary, chia?
primary.
primary. Primary مستقرة أن
لا.
rearrangement هي أن
Yes.
yes دبنا chia دبنا secondary يعني دبنا أو positive دبنا very أو positive dead very yes. Have secondary.
Yes.
Secondary more stable from the primary. That meaning the benzene it will be react with the secondary carbocation, not with the primary, and the product it will be what? Not this. It will be this. It will be this, and this. Okay. That meaning we cannot prepare this compound directly from the alkylation. Why? Because the rearrangement we have to prepare this alkyl benzene from the acylation and then reduction. Why? Because the rearrangement of the alkyl group. تقشتن? I hope you understand this because this is so important. Okay. طلبات تقشتن نا
بس هاي أخير وغل كاربوكيشن.
كاربوكيشن. كاربوكيشن البنزين راح يتفاعل مع السكندري كاربوكيشن ما راح يتفاعل مع الاول مع الكاربوكيشن البرايمري كاربوكيشن. اذا تفاعل هذا البنزين اذا البنزين يتفاعل مع السكندري الناتج راح يطلع هذا ما راح يطلع هذا. اوكي يعني هذا راح يصير صحيح هذا راح يصير صحيح. عشان ارسم لكم صحيح انا خاطر الله والله ما اعرف يعني هذا صح وهذا غلط. اوكي آدار تقشتي تا حسنا بيدن قبرو
رسید بری وستی نگشتیم سیدا
تو كي آدار
بله
كش يا بروي يعني كش بس يا سري
نه سیدا یعنی او اکسیدیشن و پاراشستونه هستش که تو نگشتم
اوكسيديشن خلاص الكالي جروب دي بنا سي او اتش بس اني الكالي جروب شرط شيء شرط كربون هيدروجين هي ها تمام as I will repeat for you the oxidation no problem كحسنا كبفرين
بله سيد
تقشتنا بيا
بله
تمام
شيء
اوكي آدار اوكسيديشن تنقشتي معنا
بله سیدا
آدار صح كان oxidation any alkyl group with شرط كربون هيدروجين هيا او الكالي جروب كربون هيدروجين بنزلك هيا أن
یو هی سیدا
شو معنى بنزلك كربون هيدروجين آداب؟
وانا سيدا راديكال هاي بالسر ابو نيزيكي بنزيني
لا
وانا
يعني كربون هيدروجين نزيكا جيراني حلقة بنزين Okay, we say benzylic. Now we say benzylic because it is near from the benzene ring. We say benzene carbon hydrogen. Benzylic carbon hydrogen. Okay? يعني شرط أداة شيء شرط we have at least one benzylic carbon hydrogen. Okay? Here we have benzylic carbon hydrogen or no other?
بله سيدا
عافية بله يعني oxidation دي تبيت قال KMNO4 or not?
بله
What is the product? Benzoic acid, COOH, okay? COOH. Okay. I will give you another example. Ava Adar. Ava benzylic carbon hydrogen هيا أنا.
يو هاي سيدا
عافية يا هاي يعني oxidation دي تبيت أنا.
بله
Yalla, give you this product, the same product, okay? Just remove all the alkyl group, put COH, خلاص. Now this compound other 1, 2, benzylic carbon hydrogen هيا أنا.
بله
بله از
نه سيدا فهمي درستني نبرة
نينا كربون هيدروجين اوكي نينا يعني هذا the oxidation دي تشبيت أنا
نه تشبيت
نا تشبيت هذا إيك هذا خلط
درسته سيدا سيجاشت
تمام اوكي this the reduction تجيشتن طلبة اوكي look benzene alkylation هذا RCH2Cl okay LCl3 alkylation خلاص Friedrich-Crafts alkylation give you this alkyl group okay we have another way we have this acylation and then reduction also give you the same product but anyone is based طلبة ايك خطوة and دو خطوة كيش بصنع هي ترى كيش باشترى ايك خطوة باشترى but دو خطوة كنجي عندي تشيكن دو خطوة هكا rearrangement هيا هكا rearrangement ام نبت لازم ام ديتشنا acylation or reduction because the rearrangement of the alkyl group okay now look he said here from the high the propyl benzene. Propyl benzene cannot be prepared by Friedrich-Crafts alkylation. Okay? This cannot be prepared from Friedrich-Crafts alkylation. يعني هذا موصل sharing بوتا تشيكم هذا control A delete هذا from benzene you can prepare for me this 1 2 3 we can from the benzene we can prepare this by using alkylation reaction يعني by using this CH3 CH2 CH2 Br with Al Br3. By using this reaction, okay, by using this reaction, we can prepare this propyl benzene from benzene.
No.
لا سيدة
Why? Because of the
Rearrangement
rearrangement of the rearrangement here of the alkyl group here. That meaning our product, it will be what? It will be this. Okay? It will be our product. It will be this. Sorry. This. Okay? يعني our reaction, this propyl benzene cannot be prepared from the by using Friedrich-Kraft alkylation. Okay? Because the rearrangement and our product, it will be this, our product. Okay? It will be this. Now, he said, what then? In this case, I want to prepare this. How I can to prepare this compound, طلبة? يعني by using alkylation جنابت خلاص. Okay? ريكا دي تشيا ريكا دوية
Acylation.
acylation or reduction. خلاص acylation or reduction. زين أو بنزين أبي بنزين أبا بنزين. أوكي. acylation دبنا تشيا أبا acylation خلاص أبا acylation دبيا تشيا طلبة. acylation قال كش جروب يعني صح 1 2 3. اوكي 1 2 3. اوكي كربون 1 كربون 2 3 كربون خلاص 1 2 3 ابا 1 ابا 2 او 3. This our acyl group and this is Br here. Okay, Br or Cl نفس تشتق no فرق نينا واكسجين قال تشيا Al Br3 ناتج شيء طلبة ناتج acylation خلاص أبا إك دو سي ودبل بوند بيري هاي وأكسجين دبل بوند أكسجين درستا عنا درستا باش ريدكشن دبنا أبا أوكي أنا كليمنسن ريدكشن and Wolff-Kishner reduction. It will be give you this product. يعني by using this خلط by using this خلط أو جنابت or this is right synthesis line. تمام بفرين تجهزتي؟ بفرين آدار حسنة بعد سقفان ايه هذا شيء انا كيش قلنا
أبو دمويكي isolation.
Okay, Avea. I think here, look, I want to prepare this compound. This is a propyl benzene. We can use a propyl, we can prepare this propyl benzene by using Friedrich-Kraft alkylation and by using acylation reduction. Anyone is best. This is the meaning here. Okay, we can try. Look, by using alkylation, عادي, the Friedrich-Kraft alkylation, we don't take our desired compound. We will take this compound. Why this compound? Because the rearrangement it will be happened for the alkyl group. Okay, this alkyl group, this gives you primary carbocation. Carbocation it will be converted to the secondary carbocation. The reaction will be happened here on this carbon. Okay, that meaning we have carbon CH3 CH3. I have a carbon CH3 CH3. Okay, that meaning أوريك خلط. This line cannot be useful to prepare the propyl benzene. We can prepare propyl benzene by using acylation and then reduction. Okay, acylation, acylation with this acyl group. This acyl group. How many carbon we have طلبة here? 1, 2, 3 carbon. That meaning we need 3 carbon. Okay, this 1, 2, 3 carbon. 3 carbon. Carbon دم هيك قال oxygen Cl. acyl group. Okay, our acyl group this. That meaning acylation, this acylation. Reduction, خلاص reduction, just the carbon double bond oxygen دبنا CH2. CH2. Okay, this is Clemmensen reduction. نوكا واضحة عنا.
واضح.
Okay, yes, I think just يعني listen again to my lecture and just يعني apply on the paper. Okay طلبة, you have to take pen and paper and to try to write this reaction many times. It will be very, very easy. Just to look into the compound and you know the answer. Okay, I believe that. Now, this homework for you, طلبة. Write out two-step sequence that convert benzene to each compound. يعني طلبة just two تفاعل, دو خطوة. خطوة أولية, خطوة دوية. Okay, to convert benzene, يعني your static material benzene, to prepare this compound, to prepare this compound. From the benzene, prepare compound number 1A. From the benzene, prepare compound number B by using just a two-step reaction. هذا two-step صح يا طلبة. Very حتى very 10 reaction. هيك دو. تمام؟ دو خطوة. Okay. This meaning two-step reaction. Okay. The second one. This from the benzene, I want to prepare this compound. This from the benzene, prepare for me this compound, and this compound not for you. He said several steps. You will be prepare ibuprofen أو طبعا anti-inflammatory هذا drug درمانة. But from the benzene, prepare this. This also homework for you. Now the reduction of nitro group. طبعا reduction طلبة of nitro group صناعية. خلاص NO2 reduction NH2 by using this reagent. هذا هيدروجين قال palladium. طبعا palladium طلبة صار كربون يعني charcoal. Okay, or by using FeSCl or by using SnSCl. خلاص هذا هيك شلون بنفيسه NO2 directly it will be NH2 reduction of nitro group. Okay, يعني from the benzene directly we can prepare NH benzene aniline. aniline we can prepare aniline by using just one step reaction. No, we have to make nitration and then reduction. Okay, benzene طلبة very, benzene ring very, nitration give you nitropenzene, reduction give you aniline. But from the benzene directly aniline, no, there is no reaction. Okay. Look to this. Also, he said, look here, NO2 reduction H2 palladium, it will be give you NH2. Okay, just NO2, it will be NH2 directly. Easy easy reaction without mechanism. I don't give you the mechanism. Also, the mechanism is complex. This we have this example. يلا طلبة. From the benzene, prepare for me this. Okay. Number 1, bromination and nitration. Anyone?
Nitration.
عافية nitration. Why? Because the nitration is meta director. عافية. Nitration بعدين bromination عافية وبعدين
H2 نحولها من بدال ال NO2
reduction وخلاص. Nitration, bromination, reduction. Okay, easy, so easy. This also homework for you. طبعا طلبة أو قلق بصناعية أو examples. This طبعا alkylation, oxidation. This nitration, reduction. Or this for you, thinking about that. Okay. Synthesis of para nitrobenzoic acid from the benzene. Yes, we have benzene. يلا طلبة. This number 1, anyone it will be? I resolved already. I resolved here. Alkylation. Look, alkylation. Alkylation, ortho para. That meaning nitration it will be on the para and with the second isomer. But we want this. Okay. Now, NO2 just NO2 and we have CH3. KMNO for oxidation. That meaning the CH3 will be converted to the CO2H carboxylic acid. وخلاص. This also, this is for me, this parachlorostyrene, from the benzene. Look, from the benzene, halogenation Cl on the benzene ring, okay? Cl, orthometa para chia?
Ortho para.
Ortho para, عافية. يعني we have this para Isomers also we have meta ortho. يعني this para isomers we have ortho isomers. You can write it here, okay? But we want this. We want the meta isomers. Okay. Meta isomers halogenation of the alkyl group by using UV. صح UV. نا لويس هكذا قلت لويس أسد خلد دبنا فيريس الحلقة. بس هكذا قلت heating UV light يعني bromination دبنا سر alkyl group. bromination BR KOH elimination خلاص. شو تمام؟ Okay. How many steps we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 steps. We needed 4 steps to prepare this compound from the benzene. And this also, this synthesis of the trisubstituted benzene from the benzene. Look, we want to prepare this compound. Okay, we want to prepare this compound. Number 1, acylation. This is the acyl group. Acyl group ortho meta para chia. Acyl group.
Ortho para?
Ortho. Meta. But we need acyl group. Look, we have alkyl group. Acyl group, how it will be converted to the alkyl group? Reduction. Okay, reduction. Clemenson reduction. Our Clemenson. And Clemenson and Wolf Kushner. Our Clemenson reduction. Clemenson reduction دبنا alkyl group. Alkyl group نوكا chia ortho meta para.
Ortho para.
عافية ortho para. Acylation خلاص دبنا أو para isomers or ortho isomers. We want the para isomers. Okay. This acylation. نوكا nitration. Look. To the alkyl group, it will be ortho vacria or ortho معناه وبارا blocked. For the acyl group, also meta vacria يعني هردو كسر opposition. أبيا سر يعني سر ميتا سر ortho وأبيا سر ميتا يعني both of them reinforce each other يعني هردو كتعويضة بدنا سر أو مقعة. Okay. نوكا nitration خلاص 100 by 100 NO2 it will be here not here. Okay, it will be here. And then we prepare this compound from the benzene. How many steps? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 steps. And like that, I will give you compounds in your exam. I want to prepare this compound from the benzene. Okay, like this reactions. This is synthesis. طلبة, this type of reaction make you يعني make you thinking, okay? Okay, make you to think and how to write your plan on the paper. How you can to prepare this compound from the benzene. Okay, this is so important reaction in organic chemistry. طبعا طلبة all the organic chemistry, this is all the research, it will be like this. Okay, it will be like this. You have to write your project on the paper. You will be tell me this my project. I will prepare the compound number 2 from the compound يعني number 1 from the compound number 1. I will prepare 2 from the 2. I will prepare 3 from the 3. I will prepare 4 like this. Okay, this is the organic يعني real organic chemistry. Okay, this is the organic chemistry. Now I hope you understand this and this chapter is finished. Inshallah, next week I will start with the next chapter, inshallah. Then if you have a question, I think Bafreen